Today I'm going to show you how to reset the purge counter on a Brother DCP-J132W. First, we need to get the printer into maintenance mode, and we do this by pressing OK, Menu, and then Mono Start, followed by the up arrow 4 times. Now these buttons need to be pressed individually and in quick succession. So here we go. OK, Menu, Mono Start, 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you've done it correctly, your printer screen will now say maintenance underneath. Now we can use the up and down arrows here and enter in 8 and then 0. So here we go. So go on to 8, we press OK. Then we do the same thing again. Stop on 0, press OK. Now, we'll be presented with this code on screen. And what we're going to do now is go through the various options that you have in maintenance mode, and we scroll these with the Mono Start button we pressed earlier. So we're going to go through this until we get to Purge. Now as you can see, you've got a number on screen here next to Purge, and that's how full your printer thinks the purge counter is. Now we're going to use the up and down arrows and OK again, but this time we're going to enter the code 2783. Okay, so here we go. 2, 7, 8, 3. The purge counter will now be reset to 0. If you wish to confirm this, we just go through that process again to get back to the reading. And as you can see, the counter's reset to 0. Now of course you don't have to do this, I'm just doing this for your peace of mind. And if you were to kind of carry on printing, once we exit maintenance mode, you'll be able to carry on. So if we press stop and exit to get back to maintenance mode, we're going to use the arrow keys and OK yet again, this time entering the code 99. So here we go. 9, 9. Give it just a second. And we're out. Hopefully you're now able to print as well, assuming that you did have an error that related to that purge counter. Otherwise you've just bought yourself some more time until that error occurs. Of course we haven't taken any ink out of the sponge in the bottom of the printer, and the overflow of this is what your printer is trying to avoid with any messages that would stop you printing because of the purge counter being full. So eventually you might start to see a little bit of ink spill out the printer, but in my experience getting the ink absorber changed is quite expensive, so I would just chuck a bit of cardboard underneath the printer and carry on as normal. Just keep a beady eye on it. But that's all there is to see here. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do let us know in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.